morning to everyone. Welcome to our webinar on Odoo AI email automation. I'm thrilled to have you all here today. So get ready to supercharge your email game with some AI magic. Before we dive into today's topic, let me introduce you to myself and my company. I'm Hemali Goswami, a system analyst with over a decade of experience in tech world. For the past 5 years, I have been a part of the incredible team at Buffer Services, where we have been turning cutting edge technology into business success stories. Now, let me give you a quick tour of Buffer Services. We are not just another software development firm. We are here the ones who turn your ideas into reality. We specialize in creating commercial grade products for clients around the globe, and we are known for our expert driven, reliable software development that empowers businesses worldwide. We have over 6 years of business experience. Buffer has successfully completed more than 254 projects and are proud to have an 84% repeat client range. Our team consists of more than 70 proficient engineers and experts who specialize in application services, artificial intelligence, business automation, digital commerce, and of course, Odoo implementation. The services provided in Odoo includes Odoo integration, consultancy, customization, implementation, training, and we also help you hire Odoo developers. Buffer has its expertise in Android, Django, iOS, and Odoo. Apart from India, Buffer has its global presence in countries like Canada, Chile, Dubai, France, Germany, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and the USA. Buffer Services has successfully catered various industries such as health, education, travel, retail, logistics, media, construction, manufacturing, beauty and lifestyle, you name it, and we have done it. Buffer Services has done projects in all these industries. So let's join hands and shape the future together. Now let's turn our attention to the main topic of today's webinar, and that is AI email automation in Odoo. Now, as we know, Odoo is a business solution that automates every aspect of our company. It can be used as an all-in-one tool to manage different businesses modules such as sales, marketing, accounting, inventory, production, and more. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, automating your email marketing is crucial for maintaining effective and personalized communication with audience. So let us explore how Odoo's robust features can help you streamline your marketing efforts and drive impressive results. Throughout this webinar, we will explore the core features of email marketing automation, sorry. So, and how we can make use of to get AI to get expected outcome and discuss the features that can be customized to meet your unique business needs. So let's get started. Email marketing in Odoo is the act of sending emails to a group of people that can be commercial message, and every message that is sent to a customer by email is considered as an email marketing. By integrating email marketing with Odoo, you can easily automate and manage email marketing of your business. Automation involves using software to automate repetitive tasks, segment your audience, and send target emails at the right time. This helps in nurturing leads, driving conversations, and maintaining customer relationships efficiently. A few of the key features in Odoo are, say, first, automated campaigns. It allows you to create automated email campaigns based on specific triggers such as country-wise email lists, actions, dates, or behaviors. Co- This ensures that your audience receives relevant content without manual intervention. Next can be the segmentation. With Odoo, you can segment your audience based on various criteria like demographics, purchase history, and engagement levels. This enables you to send personalized emails that resonate with different segments of your audience. You can add personalization and use this dynamic content to personalize your emails. Odoo also lets you insert personalized elements like the recipient's name, purchase history, and preferences, making your emails more engaging and effective. Next feature is A/B testing. Now, this is for optimizing your email campaigns by testing different subject lines, content, and sending times. Odoo's A/B testing feature helps you identify what works best for your audience. Then there is analytics and reporting. You can track the performance of your email campaigns with Odoo's robust analytics and reporting tools. Monitor open rates, click-through rates, and conversations to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. So let's see how we can manage email marketing in Odoo, and let us explore these features together. For this, we will first have to install and log into Odoo module, which we have already done for you. So, so this is how your Odoo platform is. Here, we will go into Odoo email marketing module. So this is the dashboard. On the dashboard, currently we haven't created any mailings or mailing lists. So it is showing blank. Here you can see the listing. This is, we can see in different views. Here, this is the listing view. We can see it in Kanban view, calendar view, and graph view. So now we mailings can be created. So here we can create a mailing list. First, say we have to add a subject line. Here we have different modes. First, it will be in draft mode, and it will progress ahead as we go on into creating these mailings. There are first we see the template. Sorry, first we add the recipients for whom we want to send this campaign to. There can be contact, there is lead opportunity, mailing contact, sales orders, mailing list, and you can search here for more options and select from here. We go with mailing list. When we select mailing list, we can further select the mailing list that we have created. And here again, we can search for more. Then there is mail body. There are various templates that are available, and we can select any as per our requirement. there are different, and we can also edit. Here we get the uh, list how we can edit our mails. We start with a blank email body. I think first we add the mailing list because we do not have any context in our mails. Now, a mailing list can be created in two ways. You can add contacts over here by adding mailing list contacts. Here you can create a new contact or import a file. You can search from here, and there again here there are different views like list view, Kanban view, graph view. So here first let us add one contact and see. First we add the contact name. Then we add the email address over here. Now, this is where the AI comes into role. Now, here that you see, this is a converter, that connector that verifies whether your email that you have added is correct or not. It will be verified. Now, this is done uh, by a connector developed, and it is called Pluggy, and it is especially made for Odoo. Now, Pluggy is the first marketplace platform providing connector for real-time email verification, which is integrated with major ERP systems like Odoo, MS Dynamics, Salesforce, HubSpot. This plugin will verify the emails in real time and allow verified emails to be added to the mailing list. Now, hence, the bounce and opt-out ratio markedly decreases, which in turn highly increases your reach to the audience. Now, to see this, let's go to the mailing list. Here we are, and here you can see that this currently is not verified. So we add all other details, and then here we can select the mailing list to which we have to add this contact to. We can select it from here. Say we add to promotional lists, and same contact you can add to multiple campaigns. Like we can also add them to newsletter. Now here you can see this is verified. Here we will save the contact. Now going back to the mailings, here you can see we have created the mailing list. Now we can select from here. Sorry, I think there is some technical glitch. From here, you can add the headers. You can edit the mail that you have. Then you have the body. Like if you want text, you can just drag over here. I think there is some technical glitch. Just give me a few minutes, please. Okay, we are back again. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so here we can add the header, we can add the body over here. Now here is the first, here is where the AI comes into the play. You can add your email body by just creating or giving a prompt. You can give the prompt, say, write an email can give your required prompt over here and just you can see here it auto generates the whole email as per your prompt given to it. So this we can either insert from here or just it will get inserted here along with the subject line. Now here, this is the magic of AI, that this email is created in no time. So here again, we can add dynamic placeholders, like if you want to add your company name, the recipient's name, you can add over here. We can select what we want to show over here, company email, company name. Over here. So here, as you see, object company name, we haven't filled that in the contact information. So here it is showing like this. Otherwise, when you enter the details in contact properly, it will be shown the name over here. Here again, you can add your the sender's signature. It will be as per the login that you have done. It will take from the login. Now we create an AI generated email. This is inserted in the mail body and it can be edited also as required from here. Even after this, you can change the formatting of the fonts, background color, everything you can change from here. You can also add backlinks in the email. And there is one more feature that we already saw, that is adding the signature. Now this is our email gets ready over here, and then we can schedule. After this, we will see the feature of A/B testing that we discussed initially. Now by A/B testing, you can optimize your email campaigns by automation and testing different subject lines and contents, as we know. Now, if we select A/B testing, the recipients will be mailed only once for the whole campaign. If we select here, then each recipient will be sent email only once. So this way we avoid repetition of emails sent to one particular recipient. So this will also allow you to send different mailings to randomly selected recipients, and the effectiveness of the mailings without causing duplicate messages. Here, a sample of 10% of recipients will be receiving this version, and that we can change, that percentage we can change from here. And we can also create different variations for the campaign to compare the different subject lines. And once the best version is identified, then we can send the best one to the remaining recipients. We can select winner over here manually, or we can select from here. And here again, we can select create an alternative version. Number of alternative versions that can be created depends upon the number of contacts in the mailing list and the percentage of recipients selected. So this is the version that is created. We can make that email changes according to that particular version and subject line. We can change, and another set of recipients will receive this email. So in future, we can compare the different versions of A/B testing. Now we go to settings. Now here, this is the preview text. Say if you want to highlight something, we can highlight over here. Then we can select the send from and reply to email addresses from here. We can also attach attachments, and we can track this emails we campaign by selecting the campaign from here, and we can track it from here, and who is responsible for sending this email. Now you can let's go to reporting. So here the mass analysis is seen over here, mass mailing analysis. Here we can see reports in various different views, such as the graph view, the pivot view, and the list view. Now we can also select different measures. First we here see we have one contact in the mailing list and one in the newsletter. Here you can also import contacts in particular mailing. Again, here if you do not have a file or any other document, you can list over here, or you can directly import from a file. Let us these are the alternatives that are seen. Sorry. Here we can create new contacts directly from here, that as we have already seen. Here we can import. Okay, sorry, first we need to upload a file. Here, as you can see, we have imported the contact list. Here we can test. So this is done. And now we can load the file. Sorry. Now import. So this is the mailing list that we have imported. Currently, it is showing not verified as it is processing. Once the emails are verified, here it will be verified. This is done by Pluggy, as we have seen discussed before. Here we can schedule the date and time when we want to send these emails, or if you send directly, it will directly be sent at this very moment. Now here, once we send, here the stages will also change. If it is in queue, it will show in queue, then in sending and the sent. Here is the analytics that we can see for this particular campaign, whether the email is sent, it is opened. If it is anyone replies, any recipient replies, then we can see over here. Then the clicked, if someone clicks on that particular email, then there are different other analytics reports also. Now these are the campaigns that are created. Here you can see there are two mailings as we had given the percentage. Here we can see that the mailing list is created country wise as we have selected countries. Now, while creating any new campaign, it will be created here in the new. So now here, when we select mailing list, we can send this particular mailing list to particular recipients in the selected country that we want, or we want to run the campaign. Then we can test. So now this is all for the reporting section. You can also keep the measures where we can select the fields that we want to see in the reporting. Now let us go to marketing automation. So this is the marketing automation. Marketing automation, it is used for personalized automation of emails. It is sent to the customers where we want a response from them, or if we want to reach out quickly to a target audience, or if we want to spread awareness for a particular product. Now here we can fill the details, and this are the two already campaigns. Now, generally in email marketing, the major issues that everyone face is that either the emails are they end up into spam mails, or either they are not read by the recipients, or their email IDs are either blocked if they are not in that same company, or if they have changed their email, then they will be not reachable. And there is one more issue, that is there is an impromptu response when we receive any response from the client. So they do not receive timely response to their emails. Now, to handle these issues, we can take a few precautions and use the following features. First, we can improve the email health by repeating the number of emails sent per day. So if we select any one from here, you can see here we can keep the filters that we want only verified emails. We can where the name does not exist, the mailing list, whatever we want, we can select from here. Then this is the main highlight, like how many emails we can send per day. This we can this will improve the email health, as we can restrict the limit that of the emails sent per day. And this is one important feature which increases the health of the email sent. And now next we can do is emails only to verified users. So that also we can select from here, as we have done the filter here. Now this filter is done by the emails are verified by the using plugin, that is the verified email services. And again, plugin is an email verifier. Odoo specified connector that verifies real-time data, so your data gets verified very quickly. So now let us see the workflow. Now these are the activities that we can manage from here. Like if we have to set a workflow that if our email is not delivered or it bounces, then we can see from here. Then if it if the email is bounced, then we can set that if then what should be the next step. Then if the email is opened by the recipient, then what would be the next step that they would receive, that they will receive. If the email is opened, then after 1 hour they will receive this particular another email. Then after that second email is opened, after 1 hour again another email is we can send from scheduled, can be scheduled from here. Similarly, for each workflow, each step you can create a different email and a different email, or what response you want to send to at that particular point. So here you can again see in edit, you can edit that after it is what type of activity, then after how many hours it should trigger, and its expiry duration, and these all settings can be done from here. Now there is templates for different stages that we have created. Like if the email is not opened, then what will be the action, or what email will be sent after how much time. Then here we can see the analytics, like whether A/B testing is done or not, implemented or not, how many emails are sent, how many have been successfully delivered, how many of the recipients have opened or clicked that particular email, how many have replied. Here we can also add different other fields if we want to see over here in the table. Now, there are again different views. This is list view and this is the graph view. Here again, measures. You can select which you want to implement over here. And this can be in different views again. So this is this is the way we can also see and track and link and get a report on whether the link is clicked or not. So this was the reporting section. So this is all about email automation in Odoo using AI, and also a brief on marketing automation. So thank you everyone for being with us till the end. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to ask. Let's make the most of Odoo's email marketing automation to achieve your business goals. Thank you.